United States, we all know that the palm oil plays very roles in our daily life, such as some food, some edible oils to make our delicious food, and this kind of, and you can see this kind of food is fried cooked by our palm oil, and this is our oil, is our product, is including some blended palm oil and is peanut oil. Peanut oil. This is this is blended oil, blended including the palm oil and the peanut and some soybean. You know, soybean. And please follow me. This please. Yes, this is also our product. This is also it is some sisal arable plant oil. It also includes palm oil. And please, okay, this is the kind of making bottles. This bottles is very physical ways to make this kind of bottles, which can make this kind of bottles to fill with this our product palm oil. Yeah, and this, and this is the soybean oil, a part of product of me. But our main product is palm oil, and this way, yes. This is our product palm oil, and this is cake and cookie is cooked by our palm oil. Yes, I just mentioned that the palm oil and the Zhilong Group's the product is very closely linked to our life, including some cosmetics we used and some food and some food products and some the boiled diesel and the wine and some red wine, and this is the oil can make them, yeah. And came here to see this red one. This red one is the palm. Yeah, it's palm. And this is fresh palm fruit. Yes, from the palm tree to.
This is very big,
Yes, it is. This is It's that's the red one. This is the real. This is the real one, and this is larger than the real one. Yeah, you know. Yeah. We can know this white part. Yeah, this white part is palm kernel. Yeah, yes. It also can produce palm kernel oil. Yeah, okay. And this is the crude palm oil. Yes, we can through the process of squeezing to get out the we can see the edible oil. Yeah. This is the fruit residus. Yeah, this is pleasure in Indonesia. Yes. This is our pleasure in the South Kalimantan of Indonesia. Yeah. We also have the palm plantations in South Kalimantan and sure. Yeah. This is the fruit residus for the electrical generation. Yeah, make it free yourself. Yeah. And it's not true to the environment. Make it free yourself.
This corporation has a special business relationship with international.
population. Yeah, very big one. Right. And it's following this place. This is our yes. Yeah. No. It's the brief introduction. We are founded. We was was founded in 1993, and it exists on the agricultural industrial investments with global business. And we have offices in Africa and South America and North America and Africa. Yeah. And this place is our certification. Yeah, this is some certification for Yeah, this is Indonesia.
That's our Garuda. This one is
Indonesia.
And this is the invention certification for us for our product. And this is our green food certification for our product. Yeah, it's green food. And please look at this huge picture. It is our footprint and our history, our company's history. And we are founded in 1993, and in 2005, another company, Tianjin Longbei Oil and Grease Industry Company, was founded. And in 2006, we set up the first palm oil in Indonesia. Yeah, in the South Kalimantan of Indonesia, we are set up the first palm plantation. Yeah, and then in 2011, we have built up the first crusher in Indonesia. To squeezing the palm oil. Yeah, and now we have started to build several many offices in the Africa, including some offices in South Africa and North Africa. Yeah, and please follow me. This is our industrial bases. We have 3 industrial bases. They are here is in North China, and the place it is the place where we are. It's the place where we are. This is in this city. Yeah, here we are. This is in the is our North China industrial base, and in the East China we also have an industrial base in Jinjiang of Jiangsu province. Yeah. And we also have an industrial in the South China, but is under construction. And at the end of this year, we will finish this part of the basis, and it will start into operation. And this is our first plantation in Indonesia of Jero Group. Yes.
Indonesia.
Yeah. It's in the South.
How many hectares?
Yeah.
How many hectares?
How many
How many?
Hectare.
It's about now it's about 20,000 hectares, and our target is 20,000 hectares.
20,000.
Yeah.
Hectare.
Yeah.
You don't know.
The truth.
Miss Qiao to introduce about some information about our production lines. It's okay. Okay, let's start. We would like to have family photo in here. It's okay. Okay. Let's do.
picture, okay, picture, alright.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, no picture.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sure, no
Thank
problem.
you. Yeah. Yes.